I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make very healthy and colorful snacks platter. And yes, I am going to use capsicum. Nowadays in the market you get so many colored, different color capsicum, and I think everyone loves capsicum. But today I am going to use only these two colors, red and green. So already I made these two rings like that, like this. So yes, I'll put some stuffings there. So let's start, and what all I'm going to use there, let me show you. As I'm taking these two colors, capsicum red and green, I'll make two different types of two different stuffings for both the different color. So here I prepared something on my platter. You can see that spinach, some grated carrot, some chopped spring onion, some grated cheese, and green chopped capsicum and that red chopped capsicum. So I'll make two different stuffings and show you what all I'm mixing it there. I'm preparing my first stuffing now. Taking this grated carrot. I'm taking this chopped red capsicum and some chopped grated cheese. I'll put 2 tablespoons of normal flour, half tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, and 1 egg. Now I'll prepare my other stuffing. Spring onion, grated cheese, chopped spinach, and just chopped green pepper or green capsicum. Then I'll add flour, half teaspoon black pepper, little bit salt as per your taste, and 1 egg. Here my healthy colorful snacks platter is ready now. If you would like to add more protein, you can add cooked chicken slice into it as a stuffing. Sometimes I add cooked chicken slice into it. So it's very healthy, very nutritious, and it can be complete meal for the kids. And you don't need too much oil. You can just spray it and do the shallow fry. And it looks very colorful. Kids love that. So that's all for today. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you all in my next video. By that time, take care. Bye bye.